Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's JaquishaLatisse, and today's video is going to be an update on the Malaysian deep wave hair girl. Before I begin this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you will never miss an upload. Second, also hit the bell notification after you subscribe to my channel so you can be notified as to when I upload videos. So let's get started. Alright, so of course this is the UNice Malaysian deep wave hair, and I got it in 14, 16, and 18 inches and a 14-inch closure, but I believe it's a 16-inch closure. I got this hair probably about a month ago, and I've been waiting to get this hair installed. So I did get it installed, as you all can see. And also, excuse the bare face because I did not feel like putting on makeup. I'm sorry, but I did not. And so this is the hair. So then of course I always like my side part on my left side. And so this is the hair. These curls are so beautiful. Like as soon as I got my hair done, I was just like, yes, girl, like these curls are so beautiful. And I think of their curly hair, like I really love their curly hair. So I'm like, this deep wave, honey, is giving me life. Like, so seriously, it's giving me beyond life. People think this is my hair. Yeah, and you all know I got a closure. I don't really pluck my closure that much, but I may do that. I can never find my tweezers, that's why. People think this is my hair. I've had this in for almost 2 weeks, and let me tell you, this hair sheds a lot. Oh my gosh, it sheds a lot. I guess we're getting into the cons. So it sheds a lot, and also it's very dry. Of course, you all know what I do on my curly hair. I spray it down with some warm water. I detangle it with my Annie's brush. That's supposed to be my Demon brush, and I brush that out. And then this time I use the Shea Moisture coconut and hibiscus style milk. The hair kind of poofs out. It fluffs out once you wet it and brush it down. And like once I do that, I put the milk on top of it, and it forms just like this, like just like this. And I really love this hair. And I don't think I've gotten an 18-inch before, but it's pretty long, it's pretty thick. It's more thick on this side because of my part. But however, I do love this hair regardless of the shedding. Even though it sheds a lot, like I just don't care. Like, I really love this hair. The pros is once you wet and brush it and put the moisturizer back on, like I said, it bounces back to its natural state. And it just looks, the hair looks natural. It looks like mine. Yes, girl, I love this hair. So click the link down below about the hair, and also use my coupon code Jaquisha for to get some money off, girl. Get some coins off, because you know you like to save your coins. So yes, please try this hair. Just try it. Like, even though it sheds a lot, like I'm loving this curl pattern. Like, please go and purchase this hair down below. No, I'm not sponsored by UNice, but they do give me a code for you all to use. But girl, this hair would change your life. It would change your life. So that's it on this video. This is my 2-week update video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and also give this video a thumbs up if you like my channel. If you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Like me on Facebook at JaquishaLatisse, and I will follow you guys back. Also, leave a comment below. Let me know what other texture you guys would like for me to try, and I will do so. So again, thank you so much for watching. Bye.